Okay. Now students, coming to the ratio analysis of pixel viz, and if you see plantain, now the problem with us is in other case study they will give a briefing about our competitor, but in our case study, just correct me if I had missed. Did they give any briefing about our plantain? Is my first question. Akshaya, by any chance, did you feel anything given about plantain?
No, sir.
No, right? So I
No.
am also very much skeptical here why they did not give anything relating to that. Because generally, if you see any other pre-scene, they will always give some information about a company. But here, I don't get any information about that. Just they have given a financial statement of front end without no idea. So I think that we need to keep in. So in the analysis itself, the first thing I will write down with a red color pen about front end, no information is provided. No information is provided. No information is provided. This is the first thing that came into my mind. Akshay, did you think about this by any chance?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
That is the main problem, students. Now, students, if you see the growth analysis, what I have to observe is, I have already done the calculation, students. So if you observe here, students, pixel width and front end, before we go into the growth analysis, I just want to make sure that you are able to see the beta factor. Because we are a listed company, so I just need to guide you the beta factor. Now, Akshaya, now let's talk like a senior finance manager. Okay. Now, the beta factor is 0.71 at Pixelways. Did you observe that? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Now, my question to everyone is, let's do a group discussion and see what does this 0.71 means in your language? Akshaya, what does this 0.71 means?
Um, 0.71 means that the I mean,
The systematic risk is less. The
it is
systematic
stable, right?
is less. Correct.
Yeah.
Systematic risk is less. Systematic risk means, students, the risk that is coming from the macro factors. Macro factors, government policy, all those things that is affecting that particular industry. Now, I want to ask a question from Sandeep. Sandeep, are you able to talk? Is it possible from your end to talk?
Hello. Good evening, sir. Hello.
Okay. So, Sandeep, I have a question to the view. Now, let's assume systematic risk is less macro factor. Now, let's forget about this industry. Let's go a little bit theory. Now, example, Akshaya, if you see in practical world, I'm putting a green color. You may be knowing milk, like Amul, these dairy companies. Correct, Akshaya?
Yeah.
So, if you see this milk organization, what generally happens is, yeah, essential items. Correct me if I'm wrong, Akshaya. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Milk is essential. Oil and gas is essential. Medicine, that is the very important medicine, is essential. Bandage, everything. Now, my question to you is, essential items have always a less systematic risk because government influence will be always less. They won't interfere. Correct, no, Akshay?
Yeah.
Because if government comes or if something happens because of the system, what happens? There will be a huge problem at the end of the day. Now, coming to the next one, I just want to ask a basic question to the class. Now, if you generally see in real life, tech industry generally has a higher beta. Tech
Yeah.
industry generally has what? A
Higher
beta more
beta.
than one. More than one. Because if you see, these industries are generally exposed to disruptions. Anything can happen anytime. But I'll ask one question. Can milk have a disruption? Can there be a new liquid developed substituting milk? I don't think so. Correct? But technology will always have a new substitution come. Now, considering this 0.71 shows that in Westland, it's 0.71. So the problem here is the systematic risk is less. That means if you see unsystematic risk is only high, that is like strike inside the company, machine breakdown, faults product, those things is unsystematic risk. Now here the external factors are very much less exposed to this. So what is your observation you can think like a finance manager here in Westland? Excellent.
Maybe
Very good.
maybe we can think less.
No, I got the answer from Divya.
Okay.
So the correct answer is no government interference, 100%. Now, example, Akshaya, coming to India as an example. Okay. Now, India became a, I can say, digital colony of America. That is how we say. Because you see, Akshaya, what happened? Most of the Indians are using American apps. Correct me if I'm wrong, Akshaya. Yes or
Yeah.
no?
Yes.
From WhatsApp to everything. So what happened was government interference is less. So when the government interference is less, you will have something like. But now, can I ask you one question? When there was a PUBG ban, okay, when there was a PUBG ban, do you think in India the beta factor would have gone up? Yes or no? Definitely, right?
Yeah.
Because the systematic risk is increasing because government is bringing new rules. Example, Singapore, all systematic risk is very high because they have cyber rules and regulation. You can go into the jail also in case of cyber rules and regulation. So what I observed in this case is, in future, can there be a political risk? What do you think, Akshay? Yes or no? Political risk, can that come into the picture?
Yeah.
A new government coming into the market, and they are influencing a technological control over Westland. Can there be a position like that? Can there be a compliance risk coming into the future? You need to hereafter register properly before you develop a game. Example, Apple Quest, if you see, that we say as MMO, right? Massive multiplayer online games. I don't think they are having any restriction at the moment. What do you think, Akshay? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So in case, if there is a rule coming, will Keppel Quest get affected? Practical question.
Yes.
So students, just a small 30 seconds. Can you just make a note of this? You can just write it somewhere. It will remain for the mind for a long time. Sandeep, did you get the point of view? Why here beta factor is less at the moment?
Yes, sir. Now I understood. Sir. Yes.
Thank you. Thank you. Because be very careful, Westland has no development at the moment. But mark my words, students, Westland can bring into control a lot of developments in the upcoming future also. So like PUBG ban took place in India, anything can happen anytime. Anything can happen anytime. So we need to be very, very careful that something can come and it can ban. Now I will ask the students from the Middle East, Mr. Kaja, if you see in Middle East countries, have you observed, Mr. Kaja, internet is controlled?
Yes, sir. Very much.
Very much, right? You can't do
Yeah.
anything. WhatsApp is controlled. If I'm not mistaken, Viber.
Block content.
Yes. So in a Middle East country, do you think the beta factor is less than 1 or more than 1?
Less than.
More than 1, actually. It should be more. I will ask from Sandeep also. Sandeep, since you're from Oman, you would have got this point very clearly, Sandeep. Did you get that understanding, Sandeep? Because I think comparing with India and Oman, Oman has more systematic risk for tech products. What do you think?
Yes, yes. More controlled, more restricted.
More control, more restriction as well. But if you see, I can generally come into that point, not now, in the future, students, we may need to be very strategic with this point. So if you have done with that, can I get a Y in the chat box, students, so that we can get that clarity now and we can start into the analysis. So just remember one thing, that beta factor example I gave you, you need to be very clear, students, that beta factor, what happens is the understanding of the external regulations that is there in the market. So coming to the next one, now if you see, students, we were able to do a small ideology on that day, because before we did anything, the first ratio we did that day was industry growth is 5.88, and here it's 5.97, and here it's 12.37. So one is human intellectual capital. So if I want to make the answer little more to our business language, I can generally be honest with you, students. I can be generally honest with you. game producers. Now, if you see students, if you see, there is a person called game producer. Who is a game producer who brings out the idea? You get what I'm saying? So in our company, the game producer, if I'm not mistaken, is Lana Shamir, if I'm not mistaken. Yes or no, students? Can you remember Lana, the CEO?
Yes.
So can I write down here Lana Shamir? Because Lana Shamir, this the CEO, would have been one of the key human intellectuals to contribute to this. What do you think, Sandeep? Yes or no? Can I have one risk question, students? Now, I told you that he is there in the organization almost for 20 years, if I'm not mistaken. And students, if you also see Akshaya, one more problem is his CEO post is now almost how many years, Akshaya?
5 years.
5 years. So can there be a risk? Can there be a risk? Can there be a risk of his retirement affecting our company's growth? Retirement affecting the company's growth, affecting the company's growth. Can there be a possibility like that, Akshaya? Yes or no?
Yes.
High level, right? High level possibility. So students, at the moment, we have not mentioned anything related to a succession plan. But if you see Lana is a game producer actually. So game producer plays a major human intellectual role because more than everyone, the game producer is the person who gives the life to the item. Because when you see game designer, game artists, level designers, game programmers, game testers, the base is whom students? Game producer. Are you understanding what I'm saying, Akshaya? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Can I ask one question? Do we have a game producer network within our enterprise?
Game producer network.
Yes. That means
No.
network of game producers. I think we do not have it.
No. Yeah.
So I generally feel this CEO is dominating the entire company because he is a game producer. So what he does is he will control the ideas of other people. What do you think, Akshay?
Yes.
Can there be a situation like that? Because
Yes.
example, it's very difficult to work with people who has 20 years experience in the same enterprise because they have that expertise power and they have their strength of their expert power plus their role power. So be very careful. There can be a major changeover of that. Okay. Now that is the clear idea of this. So why we have got this rigidity mindset. Very good. So students, now the next thing what I can write down is some other factors. So other factors, if you observe students, we were able to understand the other factors was, it was Jacob, I'll write down here, Jacob Black, if I'm not mistaken, Jacob Plung. Jacob Plung, I think Jacob Plung Magenta, right? The name of the one, it was Jacob.
Yes, sir. Magneto.
Magenta, right? So just to confirm it, just a minute, children. It was there. Jacob Plan. It was GameCube. Yes, Jacob Plan Magenta. So if you see Jacob Plan Magenta is in, I can say high level of growth. High level of growth. I think that was one of the main reason for them. And also students Keppel Quest. And if you see Keppel Quest also played a major role. And also we had some other games as well. So I will just keep these two at the moment, but I can remember we had other games as well. So just to make it little very business based, I will just write down that as well. So the other games we had was, I'll just mention the name of the game. One game we had was,
Cratchy Swan.
correct. Cratchy Swan. Sorry, Cratchy Swan. Okay, so these are the basic ideas we have. Okay, now students, coming to this one, this is very clear that we are having a development within our revenue, but our development contribution is the game producer. Because the game producer is the ultimate guy who is the most powerful person in this industry. So this is the most powerful person. If your company is a strong company in the gaming sector, ultimately the game producer has a complete idea that no one has thought. So students, anything that you like to say for this as thing, I think the revenue growth has been explained properly. Anything that you like to say, students? Anything you like to say? If it is fine, can I get a Y in the chat box? So can we go to the cost of revenue?
Sir, just a quick question here. So can we have higher revenue growth because of the brand value like we have for Apple? So can that also be one of the factors?
No, I can say brand value more than brand value. It's correct. What you're saying is correct. But more than the brand value here, the differentiation factor is the consumer base value. I can generally say that's what MMO. I'll write down here MMO value, MMO value. That is the massive multiplier online value, because that is the higher level. Example like a YouTube. How is the YouTube channel value? Generally based on the number of subscribers. So students, this is similar to that. That's a good point. Now cost of revenue, if you see 7.51, 4.18, our one is little bit higher. So my major point of view, that my understanding is being very, very open. I'll be very critical here. Why our game cost is little high, I can say here, employee retention by paying above the market rate. I think it was mentioned, students. We generally pay above the market rate. Correct me if I'm wrong, students. By paying above the market rate, it was clearly mentioned. We generally pay above the market rate. Just keep in mind, employee retention by paying above the market rate. Further, strong development team and testing control. And what control? Testing control. Are you getting that point there? I think we have a strong development team and testing control as well. And also one more reason we are a little bit higher is, I can generally say, if you observe students, cloud bar. Students, did you check that we have something called the cloud bar, if I'm not mistaken? So cloud bar is generally charging some fee for hosting. And also students, one more thing you need to remember, game console websites, because our products are also there in what? Game console website, charging some cost. Example, I can generally say annual license, pay per play. I can say pay per play share, like revenue share, pay per play share. Like in here, instead of saying royalty, it's always better to say pay per play share. Are you getting what I'm saying, student? So that may be one other factors that our one is very higher compared with the other company that is rank 10. So that is the main reason. Any other points that you like to share, students? Please do let me. Is it fine for you? You can let me know. If you have any other point of view, please do let me know, students. Because here you are very much into the senior finance manager role. So any other point of view? So if you're fine, I get why. Should we consider pay per play as a revenue? No. Pay per play, I said share. Pay per play share. That's a cost share. We need to pay to our subscribers. Now, example, students, whenever you payment for me, what happens is, your money what you pay, I'm not getting fully. I will be paying that to the WebEx as well. Are you getting the Akshaya? Pay per play. You get what I'm saying, right, Akshaya? So if they are downloading a game from the company's website, that means not their own website, another company's website, you will pay money, but it will be taken fully by that website, and for you will get after they deduct their license charges, pay per play charges. You get what I'm saying, Akshay?
Yeah.
So students, that is the point of view. Students, if you are okay with that, can we go with the operating profits? If I'm not mistaken, students, can we go with the operating profit? Can we go with the operating profit? So just remember the terms of this very clearly. Now, even if you see our operating profit is 4.98, so can I be very open to you, Akshaya, why our operating profit is 4.98? K factor. What is K factor, Sandeep? By any chance, did you get to know what is K factor?
Yes, sir. The referral and conversion factor.
K factor, referral and conversion, referral and conversion, referral and conversion. Just using viral marketing rather than paid advertisements. Now, how many of you are aware about a Netflix series called Squid Game? Akshaya, by any chance, were you able to get
Yes, sir.
some?
Yeah.
Did they do huge promotions and that came to your mobile phone?
No.
No, right? And it's a Korean version also, and we are living far away from Korea also. And ultimately, we are watching that also. So that clearly says K factor plays a major role for an enterprise. Because I'll be very open to you, students. If you can't develop a K factor in 2021, that means your company is a failure. Can I ask you one question, Akshaya? How did WhatsApp reach us? Did they promote us, WhatsApp? Frankly, tell me, Akshaya. Did
No,
they,
no.
right? Because we all are 90s kids or 80s kids. We definitely know that WhatsApp was a product that came to us due to K factor. So can I say
Mhm.
K factor is stronger than branding? What do you think? Yes or no?
Yeah, yeah.
I'll write down here stronger than branding. So, my dear children, in the exam, students, K factor must be mentioned. I never saw anyone mentioning K factor. Sandeep, in your answer, K factor was not there, right? Correct me if I'm wrong. Correct. So this is a industrialization way of thinking. So operating profit, Akshaya, in a tech business generally goes with the marketing. Correct, no, Akshaya? Digital marketing. But when you have this very strong, it will be high. There is something called funnel. By any chance, have you heard something called funnel, Akshaya?
No, sir.
Sandeep, you should have definitely heard funnel. Sandeep, by any chance?
And no, sir. No, sir. I have not had it.
Okay, so students, funnel means, I'll tell you, funnel is a digital network by the enterprise. I will tell you how that works out, that funnel system works out. Because Akshaya, now we are living in the data analytics time, no, Akshaya, if I'm not mistaken. So
Yeah.
what happens? You have seen here, this enterprise has targeted the audience properly and they have created their own funnel. That means when they put something, it directly goes into the funnel. You understand what I'm saying, Akshay? Now, example, one of the major challenge in digital marketing is the market is huge. So you don't go to the right person. You understand what I'm saying, Akshay? Because by chance, in your news feed, have you got an irrelevant advertisement which you are not at all searching? Have you ever experienced that, Akshay?
Yeah.
That means that company does not have a funnel. And if you see a relevant advertisement coming to your company or to your search, that's the funnel. So I can say K factor and the funnel has made this company move or boost a very high level of operating profit. And can I also say one more thing, Akshay, just another point of view? How many years is our organization?
34
We were
years, sir. 34.
1986, and it's almost 34 years. Can I say one thing, Akshaya? Most of the resources are company owned. I feel so. Their buildings all are owned by them. Company owned, no rent. I get that feeling. What do you think, Akshaya? Yes or no? Because
Not hardware, no, sir. We
not
don't have any.
no, I'm asking the head office.
Just the
every-
just the
building.
building costs you're telling.
Correct. So I'm thinking that they don't rent out their building. They are not on a rented building. I feel they have their own building. You get what I'm saying? Because
Sir,
likewise,
can I,
do not have much. And one more thing I can just say,
sir, can I put one
yes,
can a point here? Can I add one point?
yes.
Because as the fixed assets, they will have depreciation. So it
No,
operating
I'm
profit
telling you,
includes some depreciation.
big properties example, we may have depreciation all, that's correct. But the
Yes.
depreciation always goes with the usage, right? Because we are not having a manufacturing plant. So the depreciation will be comparatively less if you compare with administration and manufacturing. So coming to this point, Akshaya, the next point that came into my mind, most of the resources were online. Sorry, rent. Can we develop work from home model? Can a work from home model come in the exam? Work from home model. Because can I ask you one question, Akshaya? For this industry, do you need the employees to be coming to the buildings every day, or you
No.
can manage it by working from home?
Can manage by work from home.
Excellent. And working from home, does that give more creativity for the employees?
It depends, sir, because if we are in work from home means we do not get any chance to interact with.
No, just think gaming industry. If you're inside
Okay.
a company, what happens is the observations are less. But when you're inside your home or outside the company, your observations are more. You understand what I'm saying, Akshay?
But your interactions are getting less, no? If you
The
interact with people,
observations are the key factor for inventions. Because think like a gamer. You get what I'm saying. Interaction, yes, plays a major role. But if you want to create something that is unimaginable, you should have that autonomy to think. You get what I'm saying, Akshay? Because when you have the interaction, what happens is the thinking goes down. People think what he will think about me, what he will think about. You get the point. So that's
okay.
the reason I think if you see, you have seen in America what has happened. They have almost made 40% of the employees to work from home, not as a cost-cutting strategy. It's a strategy to improve the creativity of themselves. So the next one is finance cost. I can generally say it is zero at the moment. So one problem is generally banks do not lend cash to gaming businesses. I'll tell you why. Can you tell me why to gaming business? Practical question. Finance managers may know this answer.
No certainty.
No certainty. Or can I say
Maybe because of this.
no asset base? Because
Yeah,
they don't
no
have any
asset.
asset base. Virtual no students, no asset base. So
Yeah.
that is one major reason. Thank you, Sri Devi. No asset base. So coming to the profit before tax, if you generally observe and see that what I'm showing is profit before tax is 15.25 and 6.95. And here also I can specifically say the profit before tax, why they are having a higher level is they have direct sales. What is that, Akshay? Direct sales from their website. You get what I'm saying, Akshay? Yes or no? rather than a agent. Now, if you see, they have a website where you can play. Cloudbuy will take their commission. I agree with you. But Akshaya, if you see, comparatively selling via an agent and selling directly to the consumer, what is better? You are thinking, Akshaya.
Selling directly to the consumer.
And at the moment, if you see MMO platforms, they have so many subscribers at the moment. So while the gamers are playing, can they do a cross marketing? Is it possible, Akshay? Can they do a small cross marketing of another product which is in a different genre of a game, just to give them some experience? Can they do that, Akshay? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So get that point properly. So I can say that is one reason when if you see this, and taxation has gone up. So I can generally say this is natural. This is natural, but there can be situation of tax avoidance. Situation of tax avoidance. Akshay, can you tell me how can we avoid tax in gaming industry?
By making head office in some tax haven country.
No, the thing is amortization of games. You get what I'm saying, Akshay? Yes or no? Now, if you see, Akshay, amortization, can you easily find the useful life or it is subjective? Non-current asset, yes, but amortization, no. And can you remember, Akshay, they clearly said one of the main challenge in the gaming industry is life cycle cannot be what? Life cycle cannot be what? Determined, cannot be
Yeah.
determined. So can we have something called impairment loss? Is it possible, Akshay? Yes or no? Can we create our own impairment loss and claim for tax reduction? Because that's how the tech businesses generally operate in this point of view. Are you clear with that, Akshay? Yes or no?
So can you please repeat that point, please, for the
Okay.
stacks?
Example, if you see the life cycle of a game, you can't predict. It's very difficult to predict. So what happens is, Akshay, in that case, you can create your own impairment loss for underperforming games and reduce your tax. You get what I'm saying, Akshay? Because if you generally see, there is no active market, active physical evidence. So this is one thing that you do. Amazon does data amortization, but anyway, they're very difficult to say data because government can't trace all those things. Are you getting that point of view, Akshay?
Okay, and what is this okay, tax avoidance is what is you're telling us is amortization of games point, right?
Yes. Amortization is similar to depreciation for
Yeah.
So students, likewise, if you see amortization is clearly a point of view there. And if you see life cycle cannot be determined, that's one more major challenge here that we have. And the other one I can write down here is research and development cost. Can we have research cost being charged? We can do that as well. Research cost can be charged. And another thing is, students, that another thing is subsidy we can request. Subsidy request by edtech games. Edtech games. We can develop edtech games and ask for subsidies. Is it possible, Akshay? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So profit for the year 15.24 and 7.1. So it clearly shows that we are double the size of this. Now my question here is, Akshay, in a gaming industry, can you sustain this double move advantage at the moment, or still you need to work harder and harder? Just
We need to
asking.
work harder, sir, because we don't have any certainty on our life cycle of
Correct.
our games, right? Yeah.
So I'll just write down here. This will be your trigger in the examination, students. Mark my words. CEO and the board is the main drivers of this result. Because if you see, our CEO is a game producer. Therefore, we need to develop a digital strategy. What strategy? Digital strategy where we can continue the growth phase. Are you clear with what I'm saying there, Akshay? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Can you remember a company called Skype? Can you remember this, Akshay? Did they think Zoom will be taking over there? Can I ask you one question? If Skype has properly invested on continuous improvement, I think there won't be a company called Zoom.
Yeah.
Yeah, right. I think everyone got that point what I'm talking. Because students, when you were young, I think Skype was dominating this
Yes.
online communication market. But now if you ask from a child who is in the teenage, they will ask what is Skype. So students, we have done the growth analysis in a very business manner, because you see, if you are a financial analyst, at the end of the day, data scientist, his main role is not only number crunching. His main role is the red color ink, because you need to tell what's going to happen in the future. So can I get a Y in the chat box if you all are satisfied? Board members, Pixelvis, can I get Y in the chat box if you're fine with this data breakdown? Thank you, Divya. Thank you, Sandeep. Okay, thank you very much, everyone.
So just one question,
Yes, please.
because I wondered, because we have no expenses and the board salaries shouldn't be posted as expenses.
One thing is, we do have a remuneration committee. It's a good question. We do have a remuneration committee, because I still say you're correct here, but I did not go and touch that point about the board salary, The only reason is I am 100% sure we had a remuneration committee.
We have.
We have. So the risk is here. The remuneration committee is there means it's transparent. Are you understanding what I'm saying? That is transparent. So I don't think so. You are correct here. You are correct here. I don't say you are wrong here in your thinking point of view. But my question is, when there is already a remuneration committee, and if we are addressing the salary point of view of the board, I still feel that looks a little bit vague. Are you understanding, Thais?
More or
Because
less.
the remuneration committee is there. In case if it is not there, then I can completely agree with you. Are you fine with that, Thais? So students just get the point of view. Whenever there is a remuneration committee, salaries can't be decided by the management. It needs to be decided by the shareholders with the non-executive directors.
But I am wondering what about the recognition in the
Other
performance.
things they can give, right? Example, non-financial benefits like benefits of kind, pension benefits, those things. But be very careful because we are a listed enterprise. And in case if we put the remuneration of the board, it will be against the corporate governance and the share price may have an effect there. Because in a listed company, the board can't do whatever they want in the point of view of their personal remuneration. That's very strict and controlled. Are you clear there, Thais?
Okay.
But in case if it was not a listed company, you are 100% correct. And if it is still a listed company with no remuneration committee, still you are correct. But here your point of view is excellent. But as a higher level analyst, we should avoid that. I'm not saying put that, avoid that. I'm not saying it's wrong. It's better to avoid. It's a gray area. Okay, coming to the next one, Akshay. Now shall we go into the PixelViz and Pranten analysis of the margins?
Yes, sir. Sure.
Now, if you see, our margin is slightly lower than Pranten. I can specifically say, being very open to you, server charges, because I think our server charges may be very high comparatively. Cloud.do, we have Cloud.do, no, if I'm not mistaken, Akshay, yes or no? And the console, a partnership, because with every console, our games are going, no, Akshay, if I'm not mistaken, yes or no? So
Yes, sir.
we will be paying a better cut. You understand what I'm saying? Paying a better, I can say a sales commission compared with this, just to get the K factor strong. So that is one point of view here.
So CloudBar is also they are also using this Prantain also, right? He's also serving for Prantain, right?
No, they did not mention. Did they mention like they
Yes, sir. In the
mentioned-
Westland Daily News, there was this thing.
I
The
will
service
just
come. Yeah.
1 minute. I will just bring the screen. Thank you,
Yeah.
Akshay. Just a minute. I'll just reconfirm it. Thanks,
Yeah.
Akshay. This one, right? Gamers
Yeah.
Hut.
Yes. Yes. If you look at the
Yes.
second paragraph, yeah.
Yes, I saw. So the companies, leading game companies, became a victim. So I cannot say this is one more thing, but I have another argument, just another argument. I will come with that now itself. Akshay, now if you see just a point of view what it came without ratios, because first thing we see the numbers. Now if you see Akshay, how do you decide the size of a company, Akshay, generally?
Size of the company in the sense that we'll decide on the basis of revenue.
Based on revenue. That's wrong. Size of a company we generally
Yeah, share
capital.
capital. Yeah, share
So
capital.
if you see our share capital is 500 students, and if you also see our competitor Pranten share capital is 600. So size wise they are bigger than us. You get the point. But revenue wise, if you see, they are 4,307 and 4,500. But if you see our revenue students, we are also having about 3,574, 4,616. So almost head-to-head competition. But if you see size-wise, we are generally smaller than our competitor. But if you see the other factors-wise, the growth-wise, other things-wise, we are little more than them. What do you see, Akshay? We are double the size.
Yeah.
So my question is, Akshay, server charges Cloud console can be a point, which is a point which is common to both of them. Partnership paying better sales commission to console partners. What do you think, Akshay? Yes or no? Because I believe that makes a lot of sense. Agree? No?
Yeah.
More to the console partners plus higher number of MMOs. What do you think? A massive multiplayer online. So we may have higher number of MMO, which may increase the server cost. Makes sense or doesn't make sense? Sure. Yes. Sir.
Yeah.
So that was my point. But I can say there's a marginal. I don't say that's a huge difference. Do you observe here, Akshay? Just a marginal difference only.
Yeah.
So profit before tax margin also, I can say there's a marginal. So mainly I can say we are not having a price war. What do you think, Akshay? Yes or no? We are not having a price war. We are not having a price war. We are not directly competing as well. We are not directly competing. Therefore, we have formed a wolf gang. What gang, Akshay? A wolf gang. You get the point of view. Wolf gang means, Akshay, that the market is open, but the players won't make you to start a business. You understand what I'm saying, Akshay? Now,
Players won't make us to
start the business. Example, Jet Airways. They were blocking many other organizations starting their aeroplane company. That is wolf gang. You get what I'm saying? That means anyone can start an aeroplane company in India, but what happens? Jet Airways won't leave other people to start. You get the point of view of a wolf gang. So what happens is Pixelwiz and Braintain will be always heading to each other, but they want a third party to come inside. Are you getting that idea, Akshay? Because I will do this on Saturday because we will do the strategy canvas so that it will be clear. But did you get that point of view of wolf gang, Akshay?
Yes.
So I can say they are competing, and that's the reason beta factor is less. You get what I'm saying? Beta factor is less. You understand what I'm saying there, Akshay? Yes, sir. I just want a question from Sandeep. Sandeep, in Oman, how many telecommunication providers are there?
We have majorly two telecommunication providers.
One should be Vodafone and one should be their local one. Correct me if I'm wrong.
No, sir. Vodafone just recently entered. We have the local one called Omantel, and the other thing is called Ooredoo, which is like prevalent in Gulf.
Correct. So my question here is, if you see India, do you have two major players or many are there, Sandeep?
Right now, maybe like we can drill down to 5 major players.
Many are there, right? But if you see these Arab countries, that is the Middle East countries, they have the resources to make it very competition oriented. But what happens is the cartel is formed and they don't make another person come. I'll ask one question from Akshay. If I ask game console, can you tell me what are the game console that's coming to your brain? I'll ask from Sandeep. What are the game consoles that's coming to your brain? One is
PlayStation and Xbox.
Yeah.
Xbox. Other than that, anything coming to your brain?
No,
Spacecraft game console. I'm not sure.
No, I'm asking. These two only comes to the brain. But can I ask one question from Sandeep? Can China develop their own game console?
Yes, sir.
But will PlayStation and Xbox allow them to be successful?
No, sir. No,
right? No, right?
Yeah.
So students get the understanding PlayStation, Xbox is dominating this market. So this ecosystem is something old in the Europe and the Western region. And if you see ecosystem is now only coming in our region, that this knowledge. But if you see why they are successful is they control everything they have. Can I ask one more question from Sandeep? App, if you want to download mobile app, can you tell me two places what you can download openly?
Play Store and App Store.
One is the Play Store and other one is App Store. But can I ask you one question, open question? Can India develop their own app development store? Easily, yes, they have the
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
programmers, but will Play Store and App Store allow them to do that?
No.
No, they won't. No, they will never do that. Are you clear with what I'm saying, Sandeep? This
Yes,
is
sir.
also known as the Wolfgang strategy. Are you clear with what I'm saying? So why are they not giving is, let's be together as enemies, but we won't create a third entity. Classic example is Pepsi and what?
Coke.
Coke.
Yes.
So, can you tell me a third product coming for Pepsi Coke substitute? No, right? Nothing is coming, right? Richard Branson itself failed in United Kingdom by starting his Virgin Cola products because he did not know how the ecosystems they have created. Are you clear with that, Sandeep?
Yes, sir.
Super. So I will come to the profit for the margin, profit for the year margin, even it goes with the same rate. So I will just mention here the company. This is a clear indication. So I'll write down here. The sustainability of the market can be evidence. Sustainability of the market can be evidence. Market can be evidence. Sustainability of the market can be evidence. I don't know. I can speak to Sridevi. Sridevi, I have a small question to you. Since you are from the first world, can we have a small discussion? Your knowledge will be very valuable here. She's not there.
Yes, please.
Yes. So Sridevi, one question is, in that regions, they have compliances even for restaurants. Start a restaurant close by, right? There needs to be a gap, if I'm not mistaken. Correct me if I'm wrong, Sridevi. Like, you can't have a restaurant lane everywhere, right? There should be a distance, right? If I'm not mistaken, just to maintain the competition.
So even if I have to have a window to my bedroom, I should be having the proper approval and everything.
Correct. Approval, everything is very high. So very clear. Thank you very much. So we get the point of view of the beta factor very clearly. Now coming to the next one, which is very important point of view. That is the ROC, the return on capital employed. If you considerably see that our ROC and their ROC, if you see students, their ROC looks greater, but I'll tell you why their ROC looks greater. So it will be very easy for you to understand. So if you see Pertain students, what has happened? They had a borrowing of 495, 498, but students, just to make it very clear, they have paid a dividend, and the forex is having a loss. So equity balance is little lower, the total equity balance. So coming to our organization, if you generally see, we have borrowed more loans. I think you can observe that we have borrowed more loans. And also students, one more thing, our reserves balance in the foreign currency is less. So I can say one thing.
I would say differently there. Because there is no
Voice is not clear. You can chat for the moment. Okay, so Akshaya coming back. Akshaya,
Yes, sir.
when ROC is more than 100%, what is your point of view? How can a company generate more than 100% ROC? More than 100% ROI. Double the times asset turnover. What does that similar? What is the indication of that? Everything is double. I'm getting the answer. Very good. It's we say as human intellectual capital. Are you understanding what I'm saying there, Akshaya? Yes, sir. Now, if you see, this sector is dominated by human intellectual capital. Makes sense or doesn't make sense, Akshaya? Yes, sir. And do you need? Yes, borrowing is a good option. That's good. Thank you. So, Akshaya, coming to the point, When the human intellectual capital is dominant in this case, the capex is less. Correct me if I'm wrong, Akshay. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this sector, this industry sector itself is a human intellectual capital driven sector. Human intellectual capital driven sector. So I will ask you one question. The main human intellectual capital is coming from whom? The game producer, the game designer, let's write these names, the game artist, this is very important, level designers, please write it down, students, because you need to write this in the exam day. Game programmer, game testers. So I asked him one question from Akshaya. Human resource management is important or not important? What do
Yes,
you
sir.
think?
Important.
Highly important, right?
Yeah.
Human resource management is highly important. So students, human resource management, I'll write down here, is very crucial, very crucial, very crucial. Can I ask one thing? Can there be a situation such as a management buyout? Possible or not possible? Can there be a situation such
Yeah.
as a management buyout? Yeah, there can be a situation of a management buy-in as well. Management buy-in as well. Okay, there can be a situation. There can be a situation of management buyout, management buy-in. You would have studied in this F3 subject, and there can be a situation. There can be a situation of incubation. Incubation means, students, you form a small alliance and you invent items. Can that take place, Akshay? Yes or no? Small incubation can start high level. Okay, and further, can employees start up? Can employees start up? What do you think, Akshay? Can the employees start up? Possible or not possible? Yes
Yeah.
or no?
Yeah.
The only challenge is we need to be very clear about the business ecosystem. What system? Business ecosystem. Business ecosystem. Are you clear with that, Akshay? Yes or no? Because if the company is very high, it's very hard. How to evaluate human capital in accounting field itself, it's not matured. No, we have something called human intellectual capital valuation, which we will do when we do the question. I think, Akshay, I addressed the human intellectual capital valuation, that industry difference versus the company difference. Can you remember, Akshay, how they do the valuation that we say as the probing cube? So we
Yeah.
generally do that and identify the human intellectual values. So children, I believe that this area is very, very important. And can I ask one question from Akshaya? Being very frankly thinking, all these people are interdependent. What do you think, Akshaya?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
And can I ask you one question? If one guy is not good in this team, can the entire game become a useless game?
Yes.
Yeah, highly it can become a useless game, students, because producer can have the greatest thought, like a cinema. You see some great directors produce flop movies. Have you observed that, Akshay? Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah.
The main reason is one party would have gone out. Music directors, music is horrible. The film's continuity will be a thing. So just think this is similar to cinema, but this is a simulation-based cinema. You understand what I'm saying, right, Akshay? Because
Yes.
here you go inside the pictures. You control the characters. In cinema, you can't control the characters. That's the difference between the game and a cinema. So children, if you're fine with that, can I get a Y in the chat box, students? Because it's a highly risky business, students, highly risky business. And considering the age of our CEO, it is very, very challenging that our CEO can die also. Can there be a possibility actually our CEO dying?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because when I did top SEMA students, I studied everything and I went to the exam. Early morning exam, I'm seeing CEO dead. I was thinking I should die. They never taught that in the classroom, so I was thinking what to do. So students, just be careful. That case study what I face may come for you all also. But anyway, let's get prepared for anything. Okay,
Yeah.
coming to the next one. So current situation, quick ratio, current ratio. Now, if you see here also, there is an interconnection shape. The main reason is I'll just take out the ratios and show it to you. So how the quick ratio I designed was, I went with the theory. I could have done a little more analysis as well, but I did not want your life to be complicated. So the current ratio, we calculate the current assets divided by the current liabilities. So what I did was, generally I took the tax and the deferred revenue as well. So Akshaya, have you observed there is something called deferred revenue? What is this deferred revenue?
Deferred revenue.
It's a good question. Sandeep, finance guys, you should tell them.
Shall I tell, sir?
Yes, Mr. Kaja.
Yeah, the advance paid by the customer is known as deferred revenue.
Yeah.
It will not be
How will the advance have a gaming sector? You're correct, 100%.
like subscription for the 1 year. Let's say they paid in June, and the remaining June will not be considered. So it's like yearly basis.
Correct. Play per pay is one deferred revenue. And the other one I can say is the subscription they would have paid. Monthly subscription for some games they would have had. Because we have this MMO, that is the multiplayer online games. Okay, this is the major thing, massive multiplayer online games. So deferred revenue is coming into our picture. This is a major point of view that we need to keep in mind. And also there was mentioning you can buy points. The players can buy points from the game so that they can use the points. So those things are the deferred revenue. So students, I just want to put a star for this deferred revenue. So just keep in mind. And can we just look at our competitor as well, whether he has deferred revenue? That means it's an industry practice. Did you observe this, Akshaya, this deferred revenue, even if it's there for this person? So it's an industry practice. Now, in my financial statements, your fee is a deferred revenue. Correct me if I'm wrong, Akshaya. Yes or no? Because the service you the fee, that's how the businesses work, students. It's what we study IFRS. Businesses wise it change. So I took the revenue into the consideration mainly. The main reason why I took the deferred revenue into the consideration is, Akshaya, can I think about refund policies? Can there be refund policies? Example, Akshaya, now can you remember there was a situation that the cloud bar did not work? Yes or no, Akshaya?
Yeah.
Guy who has paid in advance, cloud bar did not work. I think ultimately it goes for the company, right? What do you think, Akshaya? Let's assume a practical hypothetical situation. My house, the electricity power cut. So can I blame the electricity board, or I should blame myself? I should blame myself because of not having a power backup. You understand what I'm saying, Akshaya?
Yeah.
Real business I'm talking. So students get the understanding. So deferred revenue is a bigger trigger. And if you see currency reserve, Akshaya, one thing if you observe, if you see our currency reserve is having a negative answer, you get what I mean? Example, export in simple language, because we are not importing anything, because our games are global. So if we are having a negative currency reserve, the meaning of this is our currency is a strong currency. You get what I'm saying, Akshaya? Yes or no?
Yes.
Because what's happening is, now if you see our currency is weak as an exporter, we will get a capital gain. Because when our currency depreciates, we get more money as an exporter. But here, what's happening is, as an exporter, the currency reserve is showing a negative thing. So my question is, can there be a hedging arrangement coming, Akshaya? Yes or no?
Yes.
Example, can we have a swap arrangement with a console provider from another country rather than directly going? Example, we can go with the counterparty hedging. That is, example, Akshaya, Japan produces PlayStation. PlayStations come from Japan. Agree, no, Akshaya?
Yeah.
So you see, PlayStation coming from Japan means Japanese yen is a weaker currency, generally, if you see, compared to the US dollars. So they do counter trading. You understand, like what Apple does with China in manufacturing, counter trading. They give them the job. In other words, they give them employment opportunity and they mitigate the risk. Are you getting that point, right? So students get that understanding. So I took that deferred revenue as well. And also, students, did you observe here software development cost? Akshaya, can you observe this software development cost? So it's not there in your syllabus, but just for a recap, that's IAS 38, if I'm not mistaken, Akshaya. So software development cost is also there. So just keep in mind, students, here software development cost is there. So we have to think a little bit outside. Goodwill has been mentioned and property, plant and equipment. Now, can I ask you a question, Akshaya? In this asset base, which is the strongest asset? Software development cost. Did you observe that, Akshaya?
Yeah. So another doubt, what they are mentioning as property, plant and equipment?
Yes, 384.
What are the assets that what are the assets that could be?
Office equipments like laptops. They may have equipments like basic table, furniture, chair. Their head office. Basically that, because we have 4 regional offices. No? But still, Akshaya, the software development value is higher than the
Higher.
property.
Yes.
Can you observe, if you've been to Bangalore, you may see Byju's head office. It's a
Yeah.
very tiny building, very tiny building. But that building versus the intellectual value is very different. You get what I'm saying, Akshay. So that risk is anytime Byju's can collapse. What do you think, Akshay? Yes, sir. But if you see a company like Unilever, their buildings are huge. But Unilever can't collapse anytime. You get what I'm saying, Akshay. Because the reason is the products are highly essential household products. So children get the point of view. So I believe you don't have any questions with this, but if you have the pre-seen material, children, can you just jot these points, because these are very important things. The deferred revenue, the currencies, the software development cost, all these gives you a lot of mind connections. So children, if you are fine with that, can we move on to the next one, please? Just a question from the management team. Akshaya, while analyzing, did you think like this of software development cost, deferred revenue, or just came? Just honest answer.
No.
No, right? No problem, students. You need to write it down. You need to write it down. Wherever the thinking misses, you need to write it down. Even when you are telling something, I am also writing it down. I'm not just changing it for the sake of changing. I'm writing. I have a book with me in my table. Whatever you all are talking, I'm writing it down. Whatever Sridevi is telling, I'm writing. Whatever you all are telling in the chat box, I'm writing, because I need to have that presence of mind. Okay. Current ratio and quick ratio, again, if you generally observe, the main trigger that is affecting is both the company. I can be very, very open to you. Why it is very less? I can't say the company is risky. Deferred revenue policy. What is that, Akshaya? Deferred revenue policy. You get what I'm saying, Akshaya? Because deferred revenue policy will always make the liability more. Agree, no, Akshaya? Yes or no? But if you generally see a company like Google, they also have deferred revenue. Because how do you pay Google subscription? Early, right? But how do I pay Zoom subscription? Early, right? So can I say will close down? No, I can't say it. So the current ratio here, we need to identify that deferred revenue policy is indicating low ranges, but actually this is not a risk. This is not a risk, because we have been established for how many years, Akshaya? Please tell me.
34 years.
34 years. So 34 years, if we are doing the same business model, can I say here it's business as usual? Can I write it down, Akshaya? Business as usual. Business. Your SEMA subscription, you pay in advance, right, Akshaya? Whatever said. So can you say SEMA will collapse? No, it won't collapse, provided the numbers may show wrong numbers. Now, if the gearing, we have settled the loan, can observe it. But and the other thing is the equity I compared, I took like this. That is the debt by debt plus equity. I took over. This is the ratio I generally took. So if you see here, I can be very specific here. The debt looks fine. The debt looks okay. The debt looks okay. Can I ask one question, Akshaya? Can there be a possibility of APV? What is APV, Akshaya?
APV.
Yes, adjusted present value.
Yeah, adjusted present.
Adjusted present value. I got that point from Sridevi's argument, because adjusted present value. Now, if you see adjusted present value, that is APV, what we generally want to say is, students, for your understanding, we can get opportunities. Now, Ethiopia, are you aware, Akshay, Ethiopia has started software development. Are you aware about that? So Ethiopia is making people to come and work. Bangalore did the same thing, right, Akshay? Because if you see how Bangalore developed very fast, they gave subsidies, right? They wanted to make Bangalore as the startup city of India. Can you remember that, Akshay? So can there be a situation, a startup city can form not in Westland, in a foreign country where they give us allowances? Can that take place, Akshay? Possible or not possible? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yeah. So just remember that, students. Now coming to the other one, this I can easily convert it. This working capital cycle, I need to just guide it you all, because again it's an industry based only. Most of the factors are. So Akshay, inventory days 8 days. Being very open to you, what are the inventories we have? CD-ROMs, CDs. Agree, no, Akshay? Can I just write down here?
Yeah.
Yes,
Cartridges.
CD, DVD, cartridges, all these are the things what we have at the moment. So we don't have anything to worry, no, Akshay. All are very clear for us. CD, DVD, cartridges, game console, we are selling or it's sold by a third party? That is my question. Do we sell? So no. We sell our products through the game console website. Are you clear, no, Akshay? Yes or no?
Yeah.
So that is one point. So the next thing is receivable also. What I can say is CloudBar. Now CloudBar, they collect our money. You understand, no, Akshay? And I can say the console providers. So what happens is they don't pay us the money immediately. You get what I'm saying, Akshay? They really take our money and they will have some time. Now I'll be very open. This is an important knowledge you need to know. Now the WebEx Play, what happens for y'all? They don't pay me immediately. It takes me time of 3 days. They check whether it's a money laundry. You understand, no, Akshay, what I'm saying? That passes the gates and only come. So students, there can be points of view. So I can just write down here a cyber risk in delay. Can there be a cyber risk causing a delay, Akshay, that can affect your working capital flow? Can that take place? Example, there is, can you remember last week, there was a WhatsApp or the Facebook was stopped for some time. Can you remember that, Akshay? Last week or
Instagram, everything was down.
so can I ask, can there be a situation like that? Yes or no? Can there be platforms becoming platforms freezing? Can I ask a question? In MMO, platform freezing, can they have a huge cash flow impact to our? Yeah, right. So just remember, and the payable days. Example, if you see payable days, I can say 30 days refundable policy we may have. What do you think, Akshay? Yes or no? Because if you see who are our payables here, are we buying any raw materials? No, right, Akshay? Frankly speaking, practically payables can salary can we think as a payable? Yes or no, Akshay? Other payable. Example, generally advance salary we don't pay, right, Akshay? Company. So I'll write down here payables can be I can write down refundable policy. You have a 30 days refundable policy. Generally, that may be one thing, assumption. And
also the outsourced provider for the cartridge and the CDs and DVDs.
Outsourced providers, very good. We can put them as also well into this outsourced providers. All those are our major, I can say, the agents. Now, one thing again, the business ecosystem only comes. Akshay, you see this business ecosystem, they have done it nicely. Can you observe that, Akshay? Yes or no? Now, I want to say one more thing, students. I don't think anyone has done ACCA or any UK qualification. Being very open to Akshay, ACCA CIMA doesn't compete with each other. Only the institutions compete. You understand what I'm saying, Akshay?
Yeah.
The ACCA CIMA body never ever competes with each other. That's a Wolfgang strategy, and they will never allow Sweden to develop a body. You get what I'm saying? They will use European Union and they'll say no, everything is British charter. And the only thing is what they do, they become partners with Americans like AICPA. You may be aware, right? American Institute of Certified Professional Accountants. So all these are idea of how ecosystem is developed. So coming here, I can say working capital also looks fine. But here I doing there is a 32-day flow in our other person, but I think this was a numerical mathematical error, Akshay. This 7 days is a mathematical error, as per my idea, because I don't see any practically there can be an issue like that. Just asking a question from 7 days, can you go for 31 days? Just asking, Akshay. Unless and otherwise, you change the business model. Example, they have changed their business model from example from TV DVD to I can say online platform. You get what I'm saying, Akshay?
Yeah, yeah.
Only point of view I felt. Other than that, I did not feel anything. And the next thing, students, I just want to say here, EPS, if you see, 4.628, 4.06, it's good. I just took the profit for the year divided by number of shares, that is 500. And here profit for the year 600. I divided, and BPS is 4.13, 4.21. But my major concern is Akshay. The dividend cover is just one. You get what I'm saying, Akshay? It's just 1.12. So can I ask, can there be a tech bubble? Can there be a tech bubble? I think Thais may know the tech bubble case study that took place in the American continent. Thais, are you aware about that? Because you're from the American continent. Tech bubble 1990 case study.
No.
No, Amazon was the only company that survived, because if you see, now only we are experiencing Akshay in Bangalore, all startup cities, but America experienced the Bangalore condition in 1990. You get what I'm saying, Akshay? Many tech giants came, they went off, they came, they went off. They came, example, Sega, can you remember we were talking? Now there is nothing called Sega, right, Akshay? So what happened was, there was heavy competition. So they wanted to maintain their shareholder base. So generally dividend cover should be 10x. You get what I'm saying, Akshay? You're a good company. If Tata is paying a dividend, their dividend cover should be 10x. That means they have 10 times more reserves in case of a pandemic. You understand what I'm saying, Akshay? Now, a classic example is HTC. Are you aware about a mobile phone company called HTC, Akshay?
Yeah.
HTC closed down because of COVID-19. Are you aware about that? HTC closed down only because of COVID-19. I'll tell you why. HTC is a Philippines company. Philippines, Korea, China, all these, if you see, they are connected. They are competing with each other. But if you see Philippines as an economy comparing with Korea and China, their economy reserves are not so strong with Korea and China. You get the point. So China and Korea managed to survive their businesses, but Philippines, they could not survive. So in case of any external uncertainty, this company may have a big issue because they are paying dividend, which is only covering very minimal one time. You understand, right, Akshay? You get the point of view what I'm saying there. So they are running a rat race at the moment, both the organization. And the P ratio is 12.53 times. So I can clearly say that's correct. Because higher the P ratio, higher the prospect. That's how the technical analysis say. Higher prospect because Akshay, we can clearly evidence how the market is reacting to their new product, right? If I'm not mistaken. That is so new product market, why market craze. I'll write down here, new product market craze, new product market craze. The craze in the market plays a very high role. Craze in the market plays a very high role for your understanding. So is that fine, Akshay? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, so students, now coming to the next one, we have done the full ratio analysis, and this is a real life ratio analysis, I can say, for you all. So any questions you have, you can ask me.
Sir, the only question, since they are paying dividend this much higher, and both of the company are paying, is it an industry practice?
No, it's not an industry practice. It is a stock market controlling practice. They are both are competing with each other just to maintain their shareholders and get the money. High level of tech rivalry. That's the issue here. Anytime anything can happen. It's not an industry practice. It is a ecosystem they have developed within the Westland.
Okay, got it.
And what about this huge amount in cash and in the bank? Because it's like 3 times the or 2 times the total assets.
No, I'll be very open to you. That is the deferred revenue. You get what I'm saying, Thais.
Okay, okay.
Getting debited, right? Because debit cash, credit deferred revenue.
Okay.
Any other questions, students? All, I think today it was a very effective day. Yes, please.
So I have a question, sir. So, sir, we also have a dividend payout ratio, which is 90% in Pixelbase and 94% in Plantain. So, similar question. So, sir, is it an industry practice or are they just giving out the higher?
Currently, it's on a bubble stage, like Bitcoins. Now, Bitcoins, what happened? They are not natural. They are competing with each other. If I'm not mistaken, Akshay. What do you think, Akshay? Yes, on.
Yeah.
Because they want people. They want people. That's only bubble. When the bubble comes to a point of view, when it breaks, everyone will struggle. But I am, with my experience, this is a high level knowledge, but they have not yet tested that in SEMA. But it's better to have that point of view. Thank you, Divya. Any other questions, students? So I will do one-to-one so that you all can say yes or no. So I am getting that. So I will do one-to-one. Divya is fine. So Akshay, any questions for the day?
No, sir.
Katenda?
No, sir.
Abhinav? Prabhat?
No, sir.
Thank you. Mr. Kaja?
No, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Kamrul. Mr. Naveen?
Hi, sir. As of now, no, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Sandeep? Thank you. Sridevi? Thais?
Sir, regarding the chair, I saw that there is no independent in his assignment, and all the other non-executive directors have this independent. So should it be something to be concerned?
Of course, I agree with you. But this is always, it is repeating, because we will just do a theoretical question where we will mention this as an issue. You are correct here, because he's
Okay.
there everywhere. So this happens for the past 2 years. This is the same thing they were giving, just to make the students think that it's not a right practice.
Yeah, because I was reading that in Americas it's
No,
not
it's
usual to split it, but in UK they write as it is. If it's independent or if they don't mention it's because there might be any dependence or
because
previous relation.
usually comply or explain, no. Because if you are not complying, you need to say the rationale behind why you are doing that. So the stock market is free market. People will only invest in the companies they like. But in America, the technological developments are very high compared with UK. They are very forward. So what happens there is guys, America has experienced comply and explain in Enron, which was failed. So they have also made it very strict rules so that it will be controlled policy, because America is a country which is highly dependent on stocks because they are a capitalist economy. Fine.
Yes.
Thank you. So I just want to stop the video for a moment. So thank you very much. So I need to talk to you.